ProBusinessLoans.com offers fast and easy semi-truck business loans nationwide. How to start a trucking company? Are you sick of driving for an average truck driver salary? Running your own trucking company can be a lucrative business. To be a success, though, you'll need knowledge of the industry, some skill to build a business, and perhaps most importantly, access to capital. Whether you want to be an owner, operator, or solely an owner, you'll also need the skills to drive or hire qualified drivers. With truck driver shortages being the norm over the last few years, according to the American Trucking Association, your service as a driver or owner remains in major demand. That demand can drive major revenue and profits. Knowing there's a business opportunity in trucking and creating a successful new company are two different things to keep in mind. There is a series of steps you'll need to take, so you can advance from the drawing board to profitability. The good news is that there are several companies and associations that can help you along your way, with everything from regulatory requirements to business funding. The key is to remember all the important milestones along the way to success. There's no one path to success for you to follow. Part of your success has to come from having a knack for business and an eye for detail. However, there are some basic steps that all trucking owner-operators can take to ensure their trucking business is well positioned for a positive outcome. How to get commercial truck financing? It can be hard to make the transition from behind the wheel to behind the desk. Starting your own trucking business without a lot of money in the bank feels impossible, but it's not as difficult as it seems. It doesn't matter if you want to start a fleet, become an owner-operator with a single truck, or whether you have a terrible credit rating. There are business financing options for you. There are also plenty of reasons why now happens to be the right time to start a trucking business. You may not have the cash on hand to buy your vehicles at the moment. However, the commercial truck financing market is there to assist you with both loans and lease options. Although commercial truck financing generally functions similarly to vehicle financing, there are some very important differences. Here's a look at all of the details of commercial truck financing. It will include what some of your financing options might be. Of course, these will depend on your financial circumstances. Semi-truck financing is a type of loan or leasing where the vehicle acts as collateral to secure financing. About 80% of all goods in the United States are transported by semi-truck, and owner-operators drive roughly 350,000 trucks. Semi-truck loans allow those owner-operators and small businesses to have access to mission-critical lending. How semi-truck financing works? Obtaining semi-truck loans is notably different compared to financing a personal vehicle. To finance a semi-truck, you should expect putting down money up front and having strong credit. In most cases, lenders will want to see previous experience in the industry. They will also want to see 2 years in business, with the ability to show consistent revenue over that period. Accordingly, there are several options available for semi-truck financing, ranging from equipment leasing and financing to an unsecured line of credit. Some traditional banks as well as many alternative lenders and equipment leasing providers offer semi-truck financing. The type of lending that is best for your scenario will be determined by the price and the equipment condition, as well as whether you purchase a new or used semi-truck. Trucking is a major industry in the US, so you're smart if you want to take part in it. Once you learn the business, you'll be well on your way to making an impressive income. So how can you get started if you don't have funds? Keep listening to learn how to start a trucking company with no money. You'll undoubtedly learn some other important information as well. Loans for a commercial truck and trailer are different from a typical auto loan for a personal vehicle. Your local bank won't offer them. Also, banks that advertise their services to small businesses typically refuse to finance trucking companies. Trucking has a notoriously high failure rate for new businesses, and banks don't like risky investments. However, this doesn't mean that semi-truck financing is hard to get. You have to talk to the right companies. Typically, we're talking about small agencies who specialize in lending for commercial vehicles of all types, such as trailers, trucking, vans, box trucks, and sprinters, local delivery, tractors, and combines agriculture, dump trucks, and excavators, construction, and mining. Requirements for financing a truck. So, if you can get semi-truck loans with bad credit, what are the requirements for a truck loan? The vehicle serves as the collateral, so leasing companies and truck financing companies want to know what commercial trucks you are going to buy using semi-truck loan. They want to know that you are buying from a reputable vendor and how your new vehicle will serve as collateral. An older vehicle or the wrong kind of truck could fail to qualify for semi-truck lending. It could also increase your loan payment and could limit your financing options. For instance, long-haul trucks and trailers are subjected to more wear and tear, so the risk for commercial vehicle leasing and finance companies is higher. That means your monthly payment will also be higher. Online lenders also have some standards regarding the small businesses applying for a truck loan. A bad credit score might not matter to them, but they will want to review applicants' credit histories for warning signs. For instance, they might want to make sure you do not have any tax liens, delinquencies, or repossessions. Truck loan companies will also want to know how long you have been in business, what kind of commercial truck insurance you will have for your semi-truck, and whether you have a commercial vehicle license. If you've been in business for a long time, there are other strategies you can use to get a semi-truck business loan. You will also have to come up with a down payment and have some cash reserves so you can reassure commercial truck financing companies that you will be able to make your monthly payments. While you can qualify for semi-truck financing with bad credit, you can get better loan payment rates with higher credit scores. How commercial semi-trucking business loans help you? Staying organized, keeping trucks on the road when driving, and hiring a staff of committed drivers are all essential parts of running a successful commercial trucking business. But every aspect of business requires flowing capital to keep things moving. Trucking financing can help provide that capital to keep moving, regardless of your credit score. Because almost every business relies on the trucking industry to move products across the country, so it's in your interest to position your business to take advantage of the current demand for trucking services. To gain a competitive edge, you'll need the financial resources to maintain a fleet of trucks and drivers while keeping your logistics programs up to date. We recognize this is no easy task, so we provide commercial truck loans to provide you with the funds to buy, maintain and manage the truck fleet necessary for your company's ultimate success. Do you need money for inventory, new equipment, or business expansion? ProBusinessLoans.com can help you avoid a lengthy loan process, hidden fees, and unreasonable qualifications. These hindrances may be preventing your business from receiving the funds it needs. Apply today to find out how much capital your business qualifies for. ProBusinessLoans.com. We are fast, easy with no application fee. We offer instant approval to our semi-truck business loans and be funded within 24 hours for your new semi-truck. How do I apply for my semi-truck business loan? Steps to apply for your semi-truck business loan. Step 1. Go to ProBusinessLoans.com and click button Apply Now. Step 2. Fill out your information on your working loan application. Fill out information pertaining to you and your semi-truck company. Step 3. Upload your 3 last months' bank statements. Step 4. Sign your first last name. Step 5. Scroll to the bottom of the application. Click on Submit button and wait to receive your instant approval. These are the steps to be applying for your semi-truck business loan. Now that you have a better idea of how you can use your starter trucking company business loan, we invite you to apply now. Apply now to obtain your semi-truck business loans at ProBusinessLoans.com. Like, subscribe, comment, click on the notification button and be notified on our next upcoming videos. Share our video with your semi-truck business owners friends, and let's everyone help each other obtain their starter trucking company business loans. Apply now to receive your instant approval and let's get your semi-trucks funded today.